Zoom blur in Apple Motion. You can find the zoom blur here on the library, filters, blur, and zoom blur. Zoom blur in Apple Motion has two types. We have the variable and the uniform. So variable is the most fastest one to create a zoom blur in Apple Motion. Creates a blur here on the edge of the layer. So edge to center. If you select the variable blur, this swirl option is not available. You can control the zoom blur using the center, the X and Y. That's the variable blur. Uniform, if you select this option, this one activates the swirl option. Uniform starts from the center part of the layer. So let's reset this one so that you can see center part. Then let's now increase the amount. You can also use the center for X and Y position. You can see the uniform starts from the center. So the swirl creates a swirly type of blur. It's almost like a radial blur. So you can play around with this swirl if you select the uniform option in the zoom blur. So mix just the turn on and turn off. I recommend just use the variable blur when using the zoom blur in Apple Motion.